Hello friends, my name is Hamid Wafa. Today I'm working on this Maytag washer. As you can see, it's Maytag Atlantis. It's really simple and nice washer. As you can see from inside how it looks. The agitator is off already because the customer thought there was a noise from underneath. Customer thought maybe the noise is here, so he took off the agitator here. I came here. This customer's complaint was that it's making a lot of noises or a squealing noise. It looks like this from underneath. These are the two clips. One clip here and one clip on this side. You need a pry bar or a flat screwdriver, something like this, to just stick it underneath there and push these. Then you can lift the lid off. Once you take the lid off, I asked my customer to hold the lid for me so it's not gonna fall down, but I'm just gonna put this back again here. So the lid is off like that. Once this front panel piece comes off, there's two extra clips, one here, one there, that goes inside the door panel. The door panel sits on top of that. You take your door panel off, and I look at this drain pump. The first thing I did was I took the belt off. When I tilted the washer towards the back. I tilted it. I took the belt off and then I ran it on a spin cycle to see if the noise is from the transmission or from the motor, because this belt goes between the motor, the transmission and the drain pump. So every time it goes to the spin cycle, everything spins. So this belt is spinning everything. It spins the drain pump, it spins the transmission and the motor. Of course, the motor is the main part that spins everything. After I took the belt off, I didn't get any noise anymore. So it showed that the drain pump was not running, transmission was not running. So I had to spin the drain pump with my hand. And underneath the drain pump there's a little small clip. You have to spin it with your hand and you can see if the noise is there. And I also tried to spin the transmission. I didn't got any noise, but the drain pump was giving me noise. So you're gonna get lots of water when you open this and that one to take the drain pump off. So you open this clamp, that clamp, and installing this drain hose is not easy. Once you take this clip off or the clamp, you're gonna put your hand like this, hold it hard and then spin it hardly. You need to put a little bit pressure and then it's gonna come off, because in 16 years nobody opened it, so it's gonna stay hard there. After opening these two, you can see through the hole here and there to see if there's something stuck inside. I found this bobby pin. I took it out with the nose plier. On that time I didn't have my phone to make a video. I was just busy working. So it's fixed now. It's not gonna make that noise anymore. I also recommend my customer to replace the snubber on this unit. Maybe today or maybe next month, maybe next year. A snubber is a ring piece. It's a white plastic ring piece that gets installed underneath this transmission cap. This one and the whole drum stays on top of a snubber, so that will control the vibration and the movement of the drum. Otherwise, if the customer didn't replace the snubber underneath this cap, eventually they're gonna have lots of noise. They will get a big squealing noise. It can also damage the cabinet. So as you can see, it looks like a powder. of this powder is from the snubber. It's really cheap part. I think it's $12, maybe less, maybe more a little bit. But for replacing the snubber, you have to take the whole drum off, take all of those springs off, then you can replace it. That's not really hard job, but you need some special tools to take all of these springs off. And if you're doing that with 2 person, it's easy. So the washer is fixed. I can put this panel back in.